If your Chevy MyLink radio is not responding or you're speaking here, it's malfunctioning, well, there are a few things here that you could try to fix this issue. So there's two methods here. So the first method here is just doing a basic reset. Now, if your audio locks up and you're not driving, the easiest fix here is a simple restart. Now, you want to turn off your vehicle completely and just wait for about 2 minutes. Now, after that, start your car again. Now, this acts like a hard reboot for your mining system and usually brings everything back to normal. But obviously, this isn't actually practical when you're already driving. Now, if you're on the road here, what you could do is you may want to follow the following steps. Now, the OnStar button trick here. So you want to look above the rearview mirror here. So you see three buttons, one for SOS and one for OnStar, and a third with a little icon of a person sitting with lines coming out. Now, press that far left button, the one with the little person in a circle, and you'll hear OnStar ready. Now, after a moment, press the same button again to end it. Now, you should hear goodbye. Now, doing this effectively resets the audio system, and in most cases, your radio will come back to its normal. It works on 2016 models and even like earlier ones like 2013 and 2015. So the buttons might just be placed slightly different, but use the same icon. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.